So in the last video, I mentioned how I got a gas leak. So I'm about to take intake manifold off, and because last time we had an issue back up behind here where we didn't tighten something all the way, so I'm just gonna see if that came loose or if a line has broke or something. And I gotta fix this too. Got to put that headlight outside of that. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and figure this out, and I'm hoping it's nothing bad. Like, I'm hoping it's nothing big or anything. That it's just that's, either the line's got a hole in it or something easy I can replace. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna get the intake off, or the intake and the intake manifold, and try and get back behind there and see what I can come up with. All right, so I'm waiting on my buddy Nick, or y'all know Nick, but I'm waiting on Nick because there's a line back here that he tightened, and I don't know exactly what it was, so I'm waiting on him to get off, and I'm going to call him and then finish that. But until then, if it'll focus, well, I got some LED lights that I'm going to put on the interior of the car just to spice it up a little bit, make it a little bit more driver friendly, you know what I mean, since I'm pretty much done with the outside. I'm going to put these on, see how they are, and if they're good, I'll pop the link in the bio, or the description. But yeah, be right back. So, found the issue, this little gas line right here. I guess the O-ring or something has went bad in it. I'm going to take a look at it when we get it out, but we didn't start the car. We just started the key. I guess that just started, like, got the ignition ready. I don't know what to call it, but we got that, and then just started spewing gas out of it. So I'm going to take that off, see how the O-ring is, show y'all, and, and I'll show y'all the lights in a second. But, yeah, that's what we got to do real quick, so I'm going to do that and get back with you. Just got the lights hooked up. Sometimes it takes a second for all of them to turn on. Like, I got some in the back right there. I put 2 in the front to make it brighter. Dude, that changed the interior of the car tremendously, dude. That looks so sick. I wonder if you can see can you see the rears from up here? Hold on. Let me go around this side. Let me see if these are even on. Okay, yeah. Nah, you really can't see it from, like, the front, but if you're in the back, you can see it. So it's still pretty cool. But front is what I was mainly worried about. Those are pretty sick, though. But I'll link them in the bio. They're from TikTok Shop, but I'll link them in the bio. They're pretty good. They got a lot of different colors, different modes and stuff, but I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm just gonna keep them purple. That's what I like. Actually, they got like a yellow. Got orange. Oh, the orange is kind of cool. It looks white on camera. Oh, there it goes. It's picking up. Come look at this. Come peep the white, or the orange or goldish.
Oh, yeah. That's sick.
It's actually kind of clean. It would match the fit of the car, but probably guess you're going to run the purple. Which one? The darker one or the brighter one? Like the hot pink or the purple?
Hot pink.
Hot pink, yeah. But they got other colors. Oh, if it'll focus. The red's kind of badass. I like that, though. Yeah. I think these are a W. Oh, that one didn't change, but I'm just going to cut them off. Yeah. Those are pretty cool. I'll link them. So, I'm going to end up taking this off. It leads to what's leaking, so I'm going to take this off, and then that'll probably be it. So, take that, check it, see what's up with it, see if there's a ring in there or anything that's messed up. May have to just replace that whole line, but hopefully that's the last case scenario. But I'm going to get that off and get it looked at. Got the line off. So, the reason it's leaking is these O-rings. Bro, this focusing, bro. The reason we have to get a new thing the reason it was leaking is because these O-rings right here failed. You can see it it badly failed. So we're going to take this to O'Reilly, see if they have a replacement. Hopefully they do. If not, then I'll probably just find maybe an O-ring kit on eBay or something. Whatever would help. But, dude, my camera is just hates me right now. But yeah, that's what we're finna go and do. So yeah, I'll catch you when we get back, or figure it out, or whatever. We probably won't find a whole just a O-ring kit, so we'll probably have to buy this whole thing. So it is what it is, but I'm gonna catch back whenever we get a replacement or whatever. And if it's not today, then I'll just update it on a different day. But yeah, so this is the cause of the issue. So we headed to the parts store to get probably a new line, but hopefully just these O-rings. But that boy Elijah driving us to the liquor store. So I'm gonna update y'all when we get there or when we leave, whether we got good news or bad news. So hopefully we got good news. But yeah, see y'all in a minute. Fuel line just came in the mail today. Just got off work, came in the mail. So we're about to put that on. Also, shout out to homie Nick, bro. Thank you for the big clutch up from the homie Nick. This part was like $80, bro, for a fuel line. That's not even a foot long, bro. Like we're talking like 7-8 inches long. But we're gonna get that put on, and hopefully everything on the car will run right. So I'm gonna get this open. I can't open it with one hand, but I'm gonna get this open and then get it on the car. I'll show you what the fuel line looks like too. I mean, you already know, but what it's supposed to look like, not with blown O-rings. But let me do that, and then I'll show y'all. Here's what it's supposed to look like. It won't focus. Buddy. Okay, but anyways, it has 2 plastic O-rings, a rubber O-ring, and a little, like, it was the big, like, the really expanded, exposed one that was, like, broken in half is the one you can't see, but this is our line. So let's get it put on. I'm so excited, dude. I'm so ready. I wanted to drive this car last weekend, but I couldn't because of the gas leak. So this weekend, I'm going to be able to drive it and take it to Amory, and I'm so excited. So let me do this and then give you all an update about how it runs and everything. So let me do that. So I may just be a little slow, but I've got the line. It's not bolted in, but it's connected down there. As you can see, it's like the O-rings and everything are in, but I can't get it to line up like with the hole. Like I can't get that piece to go up in that hole. So I may have to like bend it or something. But I'm gonna check with somebody to make sure I can, because I don't even know how I would have to bend this. Probably like put a bend here and then straighten that out a little bit or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna figure something out with this to get it to fit. And I may just have to remove something else to be able to get a clear fit to like access to it. But I'm gonna get it in. I promise. I'm not that dumb, but I might be. So just bear with me. So I'm gonna get it. And then I'll probably just catch y'all whenever I get the car completely put back together and everything. Or well, the engine bay put back together at least. I got intake box and intake manifold and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on real quick and I'll be right back. Just got the line replaced. Time to put everything back together and get the car ready to start again, and then take it on a little trip to the town. Crooked. But yeah, so man, I love this car so much, bro. Like, this shit's sitting so perfectly. Like, look at that shit, buddy. Fitment, bro. Like, come on, no. Hold up. Fitment, bro. Come on, now. It's literally shaved my bumper down. Like, but hey, fuck away ball. Fitment. Fitment is key. I need a new bumper anyways, because I got little fucking front bumper license plate frame holes from when I bought it, or when my parents bought it. But yeah, let's get to it. So I put everything back on, started the car. I did that off camera just to make sure everything was good. Everything was not good. We got a vacuum leak somewhere. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure where it's coming from. So I'm finna just look around all these wires and plugs and lines and everything and make sure everything's plugged up. You know, everything that should be plugged up now, even with the intake off, make sure it's all plugged up. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right with you. So went to O'Reilly's, figured out vacuum leak was just something with this line. I don't really understand, but this line's a little too big. I think I can kind of hear a vacuum leak, but I'm gonna take it down the road, test drive it, and see how it runs. If it runs bad or anything, and if it does, pull it back into the shop and keep working on it. See, I have this kind of hose clamp right here, but I just have the finger pinch one on. You can't see it, but back there I just have the finger pinch one because I only have one of those in our shop. So if I can, I'm gonna put that, like that kind of hose clamp on the other side. My dad's gonna get us some, so hopefully it should have run good. Gonna take it down the road, see how it runs. But I will catch y'all when we hit the road. All right, it's a little bit later. Oh, hold on. I gotta roll the windows up. All right, it's a little bit later, but me and the homie Russ, we're cruising up to out to Amory to get videos and stuff of the car. Vacuum leak has been fixed, so we're chilling on that. Car's running fine, no misfire or anything. So I think we're low-key chilling, but we're cruising to Amory right now. Got these LED lights in the car now, nice little interior lights. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to Amory. Just pulled up to the, what is it? North Mississippi Wellness Center, bro. Where they be working out as that boy Russ. Cuh. Honestly, I hadn't even been here before, bro. This lighting is kind of tough, bro. Your shit's right under it, too. I wish my fitment in the front was a lot better, though. Like, right up against the fender, bro.
Yeah. But, bro, like, you can't get it no closer, can you?
Well, not with the tires I have on, but if I had 215s or 210s, I could. Hey, these motherfuckers don't know. I got a slam stance off the IS350, bro. Hey, it's a 350, by the way.
They have no clue. Come get right here. You can see them. Come get right here. Get them, man. They ain't got a clue what's going on outside.
No, they don't. They just in there working out, bro. Look at that boy doing that.
Hey,
getting that pump.
Man, he getting them games.
Oh, so that boy getting that pump in, boy. Get some cinematics of the cars. Boy got that fit, but he got cowboy boots on. What the hell? What the hell?
Stepped out, boy.
What the hell?
In the twisted X's.
Alright. So I didn't get videos of me like driving or anything or posting up anywhere else at the girlfriend just pulled up. At the whenever me and my homie Russ went and rode around in the cars. But that is the end of that video. This is Monday. That was Friday, I think. I just got off of work. I got the hiccups right now, but coming soon. We're getting an alignment, and then the next thing that's going to be done is the exhaust and the tune. I'm ordering the tune this Thursday. It should be here by hopefully Saturday or Monday. I doubt mail runs on Saturday, but hopefully on Sunday. But yeah, so that's it for this for that video of just kind of tinkering around on the car, getting it fixed up, you know. Not sure if I showed what I did for the gas leak to fix it. And I still have to tweak it a little bit to fix it more. But all I did was just kind of put a new line on there, got some new hose clamps. But clamp that. It's a little long. I'm gonna cut it, shorten it, you know, make it look a little bit better. But doing that line makes me want to go and fix every single one of these lines, these air lines, So I'm gonna go and do that. At some point, at a plan like after Gatlinburg, probably like next year sometime. But yeah, I really do appreciate y'all watching. More videos soon to come, probably within the next week or two. I'll have another video posted. But yeah, I really do appreciate y'all watching. So peace.